What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to activate Grammarly on Google Docs. So let's get started guys. So firstly what you're going to do is just go to your Grammarly site, or let's say the app, and you'll be having this as your home screen. Then just go to your left hand side, and over here you'll be having the option which says app, and then make sure that Grammarly for Chrome is like installed, or let's say the extension is already in there. If not, then you can install over here and add the extension to the Chrome. Then what you can do is just go to Google Docs, let's say Google Docs, and Google Docs over here. And then now over here you'll be having an options extension of Grammarly. Just pin it, and then just wait guys, and then just go over here. You'll be having this Grammarly settings, and over here choose that check for writing suggestion and Google Docs is on. So that's how you activate Grammarly on Google Docs guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If you have any queries, just comment down below, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.